Yeelight Permanent Outdoor Lights are available in 50 feet, 100 feet, and 150 feet options, with a 16 feet extension pack available. Choose the size you need based on your requirements. The package includes permanent outdoor lights, a control box, an adapter, mounting clips, spare VHB tapes. The 100FT and 150/50 packages include 1 and 2 extension cables respectively. These extension cables are designed for cross-eave installations and are used to connect between 2 light string segments. Open the packaging box and check all the included items. Each section of the lights is 16 feet long. Connect the sections based on the required length. Align the connectors of the 2 light strings, snap them together according to the grooves, and then tighten them. Continue connecting until you reach the desired length. Connect the power end to the adapter and secure the tail end with the waterproof cap. Turn on the power to check if the lights are functioning properly. Clean the surface with a cloth or tissue before installing the lights. Install the string lights 2 to 4 inches away from the wall surface. Remove the VHB gum backing from the lights. Press the lights firmly against the surface for at least 5 seconds. Secure each string light with 4 screw clips. Power on the device and perform a reset. Press and hold the power button for 5 seconds until the lights enter the blue breathing mode. In the Yeelight app, click Add, select Permanent Outdoor Lights, click Add Now, and tap the detected device. Follow the on-screen instructions and short press the power button to confirm pairing. Once paired successfully, you can use the app's home screen to easily turn the lights on or off and switch lighting effects. After the initial connection, click on the device to enter the length selection interface. Each light string segment is approximately 16 feet long, so choose based on the actual length. Enter the device page and tap the lighting effect ball at the top to switch between preset effects. Below, you can adjust the power and brightness. Enter DIY mode to select and fill colors, then click here to set dynamic effects. You can customize the direction, speed, and other settings for each dynamic effect. Click Preset to access DIY preset templates and use existing color combinations. Saved DIY lighting effects will be stored on the home screen. Open Music Flow. Click Sound Source to select the audio source device. Choose Device to pick up sound through the control box mic, or Phone to use the phone's mic. Click Rhythm Effect to choose the lighting effect for music flow. Click Pure Color Mode to select a single color effect, and click White Light Mode to enter the 3000K Warm Light mode.